Hey guys, so this is going to be kind of the behind the scenes of my trip down to Phoenix. Obviously there's going to be the full build set of videos that's going to be going on, but I figured I'd show you guys kind of what happens when I'm not in the shop this entire time. So today is the day that I leave. In the next little bit I'm going to be heading out, catching a bus, taking that bus to Detroit, getting on the airplane there, and then flying out to Phoenix to meet Paco and Bryan and the Maximum Driftcast guys. Not sure what our plans are, but I figured I'd take you guys along for the ride, kind of like I said, the behind the scenes of the actual build itself. So, cut to gratuitous travel shots. You guys are fucking awesome.
There you are. Perfect resemblance.
What's going on? Oh my god, that's beautiful. Oh, that's
It's just like
that's no. Yeah, you spelled my last name wrong and everything.
Canadians look the same, right?
All Canadians look the same.
Beautiful people, I guess.
all right,
Oh,
we're ready.
shit. Did you lift that, or is that?
Yeah. It barely fits on the ramp. It's like this much from hitting the roof.
That's funny.
Row E, zone
Gold star.
zone 6 level.
Where? How do I get my bag in there?
Toss it up in there.
Hold my camera.
Yeah. Taco
Try
truck.
and bring that in with me.
Yeah, you have to read it with you.
Sweet. This is badass. Oh yeah? Oh, I kind of wanted to be chauffeured.
What he doesn't know is that in the front where I have all the trash.
Oh. It's not trash, they're tools. What is on the seats?
What is on it?
Oh, what the fuck? Dude, those are crazy.
Yeah, this is the North Face edition. You're talking about Eddie Bauer? Chevy don't fuck around with
Chevy
Eddie
don't
Bauer.
fuck around. Gratuitous traveling shots.
Ah, traffic.
Welcome to America! Alright, so we finally get a look at what we're getting ourselves into. It all looks real good, except for all of this. Oh, dude. Pictures do not do this justice. That is,
it's a piece of art.
that is in.
Yeah.
I can't wait to pull that
Well,
out.
that's because he went many times. He's like, oh, I need
It
more.
was, yeah, like here you can see where I was starting to just get a little bit, and then it would flex the bumper in a little bit.
This is toe in the water.
Yeah,
That is jumping in bare naked.
yeah. This was a kind of a kamikaze flick.
Look at the trunk though, it's fine.
Just
Yeah,
barely,
it's
yeah.
really great.
Just,
It's a carbon.
it just popped it up and
This
it
is
pushed in.
the
Gel coat?
last carbon fiber trunk ever made for a LS400.
Shut up, you serious?
Yeah, but
I'm glad I didn't
like
destroy
when
it.
we picked it up the regular Carbon Creations in Cali,
Wow.
and it was super dusty. Like it was just
What
this
happened
old
there?
bag.
Oh,
The
that's
guys are
from that end getting hit. It shifted the whole bag.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Glass didn't break
I
though.
just noticed how much this is in. This might
Yeah.
have to. Actually, you know what? I think the door came back. Like I don't think. Yeah, this is. Watch out.
Yeah.
This is not tucked in.
No.
It's the door when he hit the door
Yeah.
pulled.
Yeah, it
This
is.
when I T-boned one of the plastic barriers.
Oh, okay. Well, that makes sense. Yeah. Oh yeah. Because look at the whole front door seal. So that's just a matter of a little heat and a little
Yeah,
hammer.
so I guess
Yeah.
you can totally just like cut right here, and all this can be replaced with a new sheet metal.
Do you have the
whole car?
right? So we
Yeah.
tape, mark, cut, and then tape, mark, cut, and do that.
Yeah.
Pretty much like the same we do with the LFCs for
Yeah.
UF.
Look at that. Nameless. Name brand, yo. Oh yeah, and all that. Okay, so I'm thinking we only run like a 50 shot.
So yeah, the hand.
I was suggesting 100.
Yeah?
50 is not even you're not even gonna notice it. It's not gonna make a difference.
It'll make a bit, but yeah. All right, I'm down with 100.
75 to 100.
Yep.
Should
Oh man. Thank you, Mishimoto.
We got the timing belt on the way.
Sweet. Man, that is a pretty engine. It's a very pretty engine.
Yep.
Yeah, you can see the timing belt.
Oh, dude, that's brutal.
Yeah.
Focus, you fuck. Yeah, wow. Okay. All right, well, this is what it is.
But it's got new
why I'm here.
rotors, new spark plugs, new caps. We just kept the same spark plug wires. We might want to do a little something with this battery, maybe a better connection here, and also getting a better secured mount for the battery because they weren't going to let me pass tech.
With that?
I knew he let me out, let me go.
They wouldn't let you?
What a ratchet strap.
Yeah, you know, they want like a box or something like that because it moves that much. They were like, no way.
I think that's because the bottom plate is not bolted. It shouldn't move at all.
No, this isn't even tight.
Yeah,
It's
It
not
doesn't
even
need to be
tight.
tighter
I bet you I can just
because-
tighten that.
Yeah, I mean, if whatever we can
We'll
figure
figure
out
it
to
out.
keep the battery from moving is all I'm saying.
So we're gonna have to make-
We use the same stuff. That's fine.
We'll have to make a pizza box list is what's going to have to happen.
Yeah.
But that sounds like a tomorrow problem.
Yeah.
Tonight is a beer and tacos problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which, by the way, Charlie?
Let's shell.
That's good.
Beer and tacos with Paco. Too easy.
They have actual pretty badass burgers this
Yeah?
week we're going.
All right.
And the most delicious bread pudding I ever had.
I will see about that, good sir. That is a high order. All right, so we're gonna grab some tacos and beer, and when we come back, maybe we'll get into some sim racing. I don't know, but we've had a very long day. You guys saw the flight footage. I'm here at Bryan's now. You guys got to see the car early, and then yeah, we'll see what happens this weekend. I'm sure we'll dig into it fairly soon, but gonna enjoy myself a little bit before the work begins. So I apologize I'm not bringing you for pizza and tacos, but I can't take you everywhere. So we'll see you whenever I get back. All right, guys, so it's the next day. Last night went out, had some food, met some people. Now we're actually into getting the car going. This is not the car, this is spare car, but we gotta do some work to it today to get the other car actually able to move. So that is what we are doing today. But no rust anywhere.
I was like trying to get into gear with this.
Oh, it's just not tight enough. How was it?
It was good. Other than that stick moving in place, I mean, it drove fine.
You did one good pull.
Yeah.
I saw that. I was like, holy shit. Oh, really?
Yeah.
I do like the sound of a Vortec. I know people don't, but
They sound good.
Vortec heads are pretty awesome. Yep, I can hear that one.
Ain't she a bitch?
A little cockeyed.
It's just, you know.
Just a little cockeyed. So Bryan and I are gonna go grab some supplies so I don't die in this heat. In this Sex the Crown Vic. Oh! Just back to grab some tools, get loaded up, and then we wrench.
Yep.
Just put everything in there and we'll just lift the whole thing up.
Pretty much just a two-piece, so
We could if you want.
yeah, that's what we end up doing.
Everything is all done. It is now, yeah, I don't know what we're up to. I think we're gonna go grab some food. If you guys haven't had a chance yet, make sure to check out all the build videos. I don't know if this is coming up before or after, but there'll be something at the end to show you kind of the build videos. But yeah, Arizona has been hot, to say the least. But everyone's been super welcoming. I don't know if I showed you guys any of this stuff, but there are some super intense cars here. But not yeah. But so anyways, yeah, Bryan and I are gonna go grab a bite to eat. Maybe we'll get into some sim racing tonight. I don't know, I got some editing to do. I gotta edit this vlog and the other videos, so see what happens. All right, Paco, what are you getting me?
Tacos.
Real, okay. So you're gonna order everything for me.
I am?
Yeah.
Perfect.
You order everything for me. Don't tell me what it is.
Love it.
Maybe I should guess.
Yeah, you should guess what it is.
All right.
Estamos todos durosos. Sí, nomás pusamos para asegurar uno de...
I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble, aren't I?
Yeah, I think you're in first.
I'm excited. Oh, look at you.
Yes.
So what am I drinking?
You ever had chocolate?
No, what is
What?
it? What?
Oh my God.
What am I eating? What am I drinking?
Rice.
Oh, okay, cool.
Rice, right?
Sure. I am so not cultured. You need to remember that.
You're like way from up north.
But yeah, I'm as far away from Mexico as you get, dude.
There you go. Thank you.
You want Mexican food or what? That's
This is delicious.
super good.
Dude, it tastes like rice pudding.
Well, it is like rice drink.
Yeah. What am I eating?
Tacos. So
Okay.
let's start squeezing lots of lime. Drenched. Mexican food always has a lot of lime, dude.
All right, so we are done eating tacos. We were back at Bryan's. Paco came. Paco! I had Paco's tacos.
Yeah.
Too easy. So we're going to watch Bryan's film here shortly, but we need to get drinks and food before we do that.
Did you show
That's what we're doing.
doing?
Paco, you gotta get that looked at, man.
Yes.
Oh, snack time. Paco also picked up the best pair of sunglasses ever. Oh my God. Outstanding.
Outstanding.
Outstanding. How about that? About. Just gonna pirate the whole movie. All right, guys. So we just finished watching Bryan's film. It's fucking awesome. To think that he did the entire thing just with an Xbox, no mods, anything else. So it's pretty late. It's like midnight. You can tell I got big bags under my eyes. So I'm gonna hit the hay. Tomorrow we are gonna go back to the shop and do some more stuff. Probably get into more shenanigans. I really want to hit that sim rig. Eventually I'm going to. So anyways, thanks again for watching. Hopefully you guys like these vlog things. Make sure to check out the videos and shit that pop up in the corners eventually. Check out our Patreon. Just check out all of our stuff. You know, that's all. Click on some links. I don't know, do shit like that. But anyways, guys, we'll catch you next time.